Good afternoon, dear viewers, partners, investors, and everyone who cares about the LLC Sovelmash project. As always, this is Alexander Sudarev with you. We are currently in our workshop, and today we have another exciting addition, an unboxing, as it's very commonly called on the internet. So, we've recently received the following important types of machines. Specifically, these are two specialized machines designed for winding sections, that is to say, the crucial copper wire that will subsequently be installed within the motor assembly. Why two? Because we absolutely need to ensure the necessary and sufficient throughput for our very next machine, which you can clearly see right here. In this particular case, this is a specialized machine specifically designed for pulling the electrical windings into the motor itself. And in order to keep its productivity from idling, so to speak, and to keep the machine constantly and fully loaded, we therefore need two such machines. Because, as you know, we work exclusively with combined windings, and we have two types of windings. There is the star and there is the delta, respectively. Different wire gauges can be utilized and so on and so forth. That is to say, you will need to wind one particular section on one specific machine and another distinct section on the other machine. Then, all of this material is carefully combined, seamlessly connected, and continuously fed into the machine. This process is very important for us right now, as it helps us to organize our serial production. Also, we've recently received an aluminum chip. I think that's what it's precisely called. This is a sophisticated machine specifically designed to efficiently press waste products generated by various CNC machines, such as lathes, milling machines, and so on. All of these residual metal shavings that remain are meticulously pressed into compact briquettes so that they can be effectively reused in the future. Well, let's turn our attention over there for a moment, because there's a very interesting and somewhat mysterious suitcase here that, honestly, we initially didn't quite understand what its purpose was. Basically, this is a comprehensive toolkit. It contains absolutely everything necessary, all the essential components needed for all those previously mentioned machines to operate seamlessly and effectively. Right now, the guys are opening all of them in parallel while we're recording this video, so you'll see everything, and everything will become clear and understandable to you. And the cherry on top is yet another small machine. Once again, as some people say, it's the gigantism of the LLC Sovelmash enterprise. But nevertheless, without this gigantism, it's impossible to organize serial production with the required capacity and, most importantly, quality. This is a specialized unit designed for the crucial process of impregnating the intricate windings of electric motors, and it is essential to pay close attention to the designated work zones. These are indeed fairly spacious chambers, and both the substantial 318 size aviation engines and even significantly larger ones will comfortably and easily fit inside. Yes, so congratulations to all of you on this significant achievement. The windings have been successfully received and processed, and now, as they often say, please take a moment to truly enjoy the impressive appearance of what we have accomplished. Our task will be to connect all of this, get it running, fine-tune it, adjust it, and put it into operation. We are moving forward. I would say we are already on the home stretch, and ahead of us lies the launch of the building, the launch of production. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and we truly appreciate your continued support. Right now, this is indeed extremely important, and there's just a little bit more left to diligently push through. Thank you for your support. Until next time.